Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses. Today we're out in the backyard grocery store. It's a little cool, about 56 degrees. I have one chore in mind, and that's to thin my turnip seedlings. So I'll bring you along and show you how I'm going to do it. So here are my purple top turnips. I started these on January 10th, and today is January 20th. Yes, 20th. And as you can see, they are very thick. So I'm going to go through and actually snip some of them with my snippers. And then some of them I'm going to try to pull up and see if I can plant in my other raised bed where I planted the Chinese cabbage, as none of the Chinese cabbage have germinated. So since we have so many over here, let's see if I can pull some of these out without hurting the roots or anything like that too much. Okay, that's 6 there. Let's try to get 10. Okay. Okay, these I'm going to put in the other bed, but for now, we're just going to lay them here, and we're going to do some snipping. Try to get them maybe about every 6 to 8 inches apart. Okay, this end is thinned out. Let's go to the middle. All the rain that we had the other day seems like it has actually killed some of the seedlings, but I still have enough to have a pretty decent crop. Okay, so I think I left about 14, 15 out of all of these. It's a shame to have wasted the seeds like that. So, lesson learned, do better at seeding, direct seeding. Okay, let's go over to my other raised bed and replant the other ones. Okay, we're here at my other raised bed, and I'm just going to see if I can gently plant some of the seedlings that we just removed. See, out of the Chinese cabbage, I'm looking at only one that has germinated. So hopefully out of the turnips that I'm putting here, these will germinate and grow. Okay, we were able to get the majority of the ones that I removed planted along the edge here. Um, Keeping our fingers crossed, and hopefully we will get growth from these. So this is a real quick look at my Florida mustards that we did in the previous two videos. It looks like they are taking off and doing well, all three of them. Here, over here, we have our Brussels sprouts, I believe it was, and they're growing. They haven't grown fast, and from what I've been reading, Brussels sprouts grow slowly, but at least they're alive and doing well. And lastly, in the last video, we put down some diatomaceous earth, and as soon as I got back in the house from doing it, guess what? It rained. So I'll be putting down more. Not today, but I will be putting down more soon. This particular cabbage is my biggest cabbage that I have grown. The head itself isn't hard yet, but it is starting to form. The variety is called Megaton. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did a real quick thinning of my purple top turnips. Hopefully, the ones that we relocated will grow, and I should have a pretty decent crop. I'm looking forward to it. If you got anything out of the video, give me a big thumbs up. If you're interested in any of the seeds that I use, head over to my website and click on any one of the seed companies, and you will get a pretty decent deal. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, think about doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.